Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is psychology for nurses, and today's concept is creative thinking. Definitely we discussed creative thinking means you're thinking in a different way, you are having a unique way of thinking. Now here in creative thinking, individual thinks he get an original, unusual, different way of solution to solve the problems. A unique idea which is quite different from all the other ordinary solutions. So that is appears here, and such kind of thinking is called creative thinking. It's really a higher way of thinking. Usually normal individual they find it difficult to think it in a different way. So one who has got this creative thinking, they are really blessed. Now let us study the different stages of this creative thinking, how this creative thinking happens. Now this creative thinking happen in 5 stage: preparation, stage 2 is incubation, stage 3 is insight, stage 4 is verification, stage 5 is revision. So let us now discuss in detail how about all these 5 stages. Stage 1 is preparation. Now here in this first stage, creative thinker find the problem, they will formulate the problem, and they gather all the information about the problems. They gather all the details, necessary data, everything is gathered. Also they try to find out certain solutions which can be implemented to solve the problems. But unfortunately, when they find it is difficult, the problem is not solving even after a week, days, month, year, many long time, then what happened? The creative thinker will turn away from the problem. Now, when they are turned away, that leads to the stage 2. Now, in this stage 2, it is an incubation stage. Now, here, individual is turn away from the problem. So, he stop thinking whatever he is doing. Now, what happened here? His actual thinking process in unconscious mind start working. Even the unconscious might be very active to get involved in the problem and to find the solution for that problem. Now that will give a lead to a third stage. That third stage is called dense insight. Now here in insight, a creative thinker will get an innovative idea in his unconscious mind. This is also known as illumination. All of a sudden, he may come up with a new thing and new idea and a new concept. Now, once he develop this innovative idea, insight, then that will move into a stage 4. Okay. Now, this stage 4 is called as verification. What do you mean by verification? Now, here the insight is verified to check whether this idea will solve the problem or not. Now, in case if the idea is not working out because of this insight, all of a sudden idea what you got, you are not able to solve your problem. Then what happened? The creative thinker will again go back to the phase where he again keep himself away from the problem, and unconscious mind start working to find the new solution. But if the insight idea what he got is going to work out, is going to help him, then definitely that stage it will keep proceeding. That will move to a stage 5th is called revision. Now revision means in any point of finding a solution, creative thinker will never think that this is end of my solution. No. Always he will have an open mind to accept any kind of changes or any kind of manipulation, like modification you're doing in that problem solution. So he is ready to do that. Now here in stage 5, same thing is going to happen. Here he will think little more and he will try to modify the solution what he got, that insight idea, no, that he is trying to modify. He will try to change, he want to implement something new in that. Whatever he does, then that happen in stage 5, so that he will get a perfect innovative idea to solve the problem. Yes, this is what called creative thinking. As how I said, I'm going to summarize. Creative thinking is nothing but you're thinking in a different way, innovative way, where the individual is getting unusual, a productive idea to solve the problem. And the main 5 steps, stages in creative thinking is preparation, incubation, insight, verification, and revision. You may expect 2 5 marks question in that. You can write it in a cycle stage also, cycle form also. So this is all about creative thinking. I hope you understood. Please keep reading, keep watching. I'll catch you in the next class with a new concept. Take care of yourself. Thank you all.